Quaker State and Pennzoil are the same company, both owned by Shell. And most guys buying one of them at AutoZone have no idea the company that makes them also markets both as competing products at different price points. But the comparison you need to hear today is Mobil 1 against Quaker State, because those two oils represent completely different corporate families, completely different base oil philosophies, and a price difference that might be making one of them look better than it actually is. If you drive a truck and you've ever grabbed Quaker State because it was cheaper than Mobil 1 without knowing what you were actually getting, this video will give you the straight answer. Let me lay out what you're dealing with. Quaker State is one of the oldest oil brands in America. The company dates back to 1883, which makes it almost as old as Valvoline. For decades, Quaker State was an independent company known for their conventional motor oils. In 2002, Shell acquired Pennzoil Quaker State Company, making both Pennzoil and Quaker State Shell brands. Today, Quaker State Full Synthetic uses Shell's base oil resources and carries the API SP certification. Their 5-quart jug of Quaker State Ultimate Durability Full Synthetic runs about $20 to $23 at Walmart, making it one of the more affordable name-brand full synthetics on the market. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is ExxonMobil's flagship synthetic, sold at $29 to $31 for a 5-quart jug at Walmart. We're talking $6 to $11 more per change for Mobil 1. At 3 changes a year, that's $18 to $33 annually. Let's find out if that gap is justified. Round 1 is wear protection. Both Quaker State Ultimate Durability and Mobil 1 Full Synthetic carry API SP certification and ILSAC GF6 compliance. The certification floor is the same for both oils. Quaker State's formulation uses Shell's base oil technology and additive chemistry, the same parent company that produces Pennzoil. Their anti-wear additive package is competent and meets the full API SP requirements. Mobil 1's anti-wear chemistry has been refined over 4 decades, and the track record in real engines under hard use is extremely well documented. In 35 years of seeing what different oils look like coming out of engines, Mobil 1 consistently delivers clean internal surfaces in high-mileage engines. Quaker State, at $22, does a solid job in normal daily driving conditions. For severe use applications, sustained towing, extreme heat, high-mileage engines, Mobil 1's additive depth gives it a real edge. Mobil 1 takes round 1. Score: Mobil 1 1, Quaker State 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point around 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC volatility around 8 to 9%. Quaker State Ultimate Durability Full Synthetic has a flash point around 440 to 445 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC volatility that runs somewhat higher in independent testing, typically in the 10 to 13% range, depending on the batch. In high-temperature sustained operation, towing a trailer on a long summer highway, running in slow traffic in July, Mobil 1 burns off less oil and retains more of its protective film. The gap is real, and it matters for hard-use applications. Mobil 1 takes round 2. Score: Mobil 1 2, Quaker State 0. Now here's where it gets interesting, because Quaker State makes a genuine case in the back half. Round 3 is cold weather performance. Both oils in 5W30 have pour points in the -40 to -42 degrees Celsius range. In real-world cold start performance across most American climates, The difference between Quaker State and Mobil 1 at the same viscosity is negligible. Both oils flow quickly enough to protect your engine in those first critical seconds of a cold start in the temperature ranges most American truck owners experience, including upper Midwest winters. For extreme cold climates in Alaska or northern Canada, AMSOIL or specialty 0W oils are a different conversation entirely. At standard American winter temperatures, Quaker State and Mobil 1 and 5W30 are functionally equal on cold starts. Quaker State takes round 3 on practical value. Score: Mobil 1 2, Quaker State 1. Round 4 is oil life and value. Both Quaker State Ultimate Durability and Mobil 1 Full Synthetic are rated for up to 10,000 miles under normal service conditions. They're at parity on certified change interval. At 10,000-mile intervals, Quaker State at $22 annually saves you somewhere between $18 and $33 per year compared to Mobil 1. Over 5 years, that's $90 to $165. Both oils are protecting your engine through the same rated interval. Quaker State takes round 4 on value. Final score: Mobil 1 2, Quaker State 2. Here's where I break the tie. For the guy who changes oil himself 3 times a year, drives a Ram 1500, Silverado, or F-150 in normal daily service, not severe towing, not extreme heat climates, and wants a reliable name-brand synthetic at a fair price, Quaker State Ultimate Durability Full Synthetic at $22 is a legitimate choice. I'm not going to pretend the internals of a Quaker State engine at 150,000 miles look as clean as a Mobil 1 engine under identical conditions, because in my experience, they don't. But the gap is small in everyday driving, and $22 is a fair price for API SP certified full synthetic protection. If I'm picking one for my own truck, I'm still going Mobil 1. The track record is deeper. The additive package is better documented. And for a truck I want to run to 200,000 miles, the extra $9 per change is insurance I'm willing to buy. Go to Walmart. Grab the Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 in the 5-quart jug for about $30. For Ram owners on 5W20, same shelf. For the budget-conscious guy who changes on schedule, Quaker State at $22, AutoZone or Walmart, and a quality Wix filter for $10. You're protecting your engine. Everything I mentioned today is linked in the description below. Both oils in the right viscosities for common truck engines. Next time I'm tackling the 10,000-mile oil change question, whether it's safe, who should do it, and what the shops don't want you to know about extended intervals. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.